Are you all right?
My foot.
Better.
Mm-hmm.
May I? What is your name, child?
Anna.
What are you doing so far into these woods all alone, Anna? Do you not have parents?
I do, but my mum forgot to pick me up and I got lost on the way home.
That is a shame. A parent should never forget about their child. Are you from a happy home?
Not at the moment. Mum and Dad are always at work. I wish I had a sister to play with.
A sister. You know, Anna, I have a daughter myself. Many daughters, in fact. Would you like to meet them? They'd love to meet you.
Really? But where?
Home, child. I'll take you home. We're here.
Where's your home, mister?
Why, it's just through that hole you see before you. Take a closer look, and you'll hear my daughters.
I can hear them! Mister, I can hear it! She's awake. Come play with us, Anna. Okay. Hey, what are your names? Our names remain unspoken here. Huh? What do you mean?
Look at you all. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good. I'm so glad you like it here. The sun never sets in my world, so you can play as much as you'd like.
Wait, how long have I been here? I should be getting home now.
But Anna, you are home.
I mean my real home. I want to be with my family.
We are your new family. You wouldn't leave your family behind, would you?
Please, I just want to see my parents.
No.
Your parents forgot you. They left you all alone. I will never leave you.
I want to go home.